How do we know if we've got audio? We don't.
We don't. We just
push your mic in now.
Yeah, I think it's good. I just need a clap. That's in view of all the cameras.
You've already got the clap.
No, clap now.
She laughed.
Wow. Yay! What do you think? Cool. I don't have much battery in this, but it should do.
He doesn't have the clap. I don't think. I don't know.
Wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's REDZONE Rider. We're back at it again with Nick.
Back at it again!
Back at it again with the band!
Daniel?
Yeah, we've got the girls on the back and we're shooting over the hills to head into Littleton, our little portside township, to get some lunch.
So nice looking through corners. I can actually finally see through corners. I got glasses, right, guys.
Yeah, Nick's got new glasses and we'll talk about that in a minute. But for now, montage time. Let's go. Alright guys, so yeah, Nick's got new glasses. Here we are also going through the bays right now in Banks Peninsula. If anyone wants to know where we are, here is a map reference. But yeah, Nick's got new glasses. Nick has probably needed glasses for how long, Nick?
Oh, I honestly don't know, but as long as I can remember, and oh my gosh, it's amazing. I can actually finally look through my corners. Yeah, so we've been trying to catch up on Game of Thrones, guys. Sam's kind of like
I'm up
concurrent with, yeah, Sam's concurrent with as it's coming out. I started watching about 3 weeks ago, and I'm up to about mid-season 5. I'm trying to avoid Game of Thrones spoilers as much as possible right now because it's like everywhere. I'm not going to spoil anything for you guys if you haven't seen it, but
yeah,
definitely
I
a
can't
great
believe
watch.
like we're in season 8 and Jamie Lannister's just died, and you're like, what the
So anyway, guys, Sam, like you just don't even want me to watch this. I swear to God. And speaking of which, we haven't actually really uploaded anything in a wee while. I think it's mainly because we've been quite busy working on new content. We haven't actually ridden a whole lot over summer, like, to be fair, like the summer previous for us. It's also been a while since we've been to Littleton, isn't it?
Yeah, so we've actually tried to shoot a few videos just recently, and we've had some trouble with the GoPro, like cutting out audio. So I have an issue where if I go over a certain speed, my microphone seems to disconnect from my camera, which is not ideal.
It's quite annoying when we go out for the day, get some solid content, get home, and then we realise it's all we can do is a montage.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, if you guys are okay with that, like if in future you don't mind me just putting out montages of our trips without audio, more than happy to do so.
Cool helmet. Oh, she's not looking, she can't hear me.
Tell her again, yell it real loud.
Cool helmet! Cool helmet! Nope, she wasn't ever borrow that.
Yes. Oh, no.
Alrighty guys, we've had lunch, we're shooting through Littleton Township now, and we're about to head on a road that's been shut for the last 8 years, since the Canterbury earthquakes of 2011.
Well, there's that cat. The cat.
Kitty! Alright, montage time up this path, eh? Let's do it. road that's opened up from the top there coming back down. That's been open since, but the rise up to the top there, all new road. First time it's been open in 8 years, so yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's pretty much us for today, guys. We're just going to cruise along and chill out on our way back home, but yeah, we'll see you in the next one. You can talk, Nick.
Have fun, stay young, and peace. Was that it?
You gotta remember the Wapacha. Wapacha. What is that from? I think it's from Samurai Jack.
I got no idea.
Samurai, back to the Paseo, Run Jack. Wapacha.